Hey, what's up everyone? It is Tyiece here. So I am starting my new gel nail polish journey. So this is going to be my first time trying gel nails at home. So I went shopping on Amazon and I picked up a whole bunch of stuff for my nails. So I decided to just let my natural nails grow, and today I will be trying gel for the first time on my own. So the first thing I'm doing right here is taking some cuticle softener, and this is just going to soften up my cuticles so that I can push them back much more easier and clean up around that nail before I apply my polish. So this process just allows the nails to come out much more neater when you apply your polish so that you do not get polish on that cuticle. And I just let the cuticle remover sit for about 5 minutes before I take a wooden cuticle stick, and right here I am gently pushing my cuticles back, so I am not removing them because I am not a professional and I don't want to risk hurting myself. So this is a much more safer alternative if you are doing this on your own. Now that my cuticles are nice and pushed back and that nail bed is cleaned up, I take a very soft file and I just file my nails to shape it how I desire. So for me, I am more of a square girl. I like the square with a little soft round at the sides. So that is the style I am going for. But you can file it to any style you prefer. So I'm just taking a nail buffer block and I'm just lightly sanding down my natural nails. So I did learn that this is the most important step when you are doing gel nail polish, because this step allows the gel nail polish to stick to the nail and it prevents it from peeling off in like one sheet. So since this was my first time, I just lightly sand down my natural nails. As you can see, you just rub that block on the nail and the nail becomes a bit rough. So I did experience a bit of lifting on day 4, so next time I know to do this a bit more. Okay, so I found this really cute LED nail lamp, the Melody Susie, on Amazon. It was just so cute. It really stood out because of the color. I literally only bought it because of that. And the shape is nice and sleek and modern. So look at this color. It's actually a black nail lamp. All the ones I seen on Amazon were like white, and I just really liked how this one looked. So I'm just setting up my lamp before I polish my nails so that I do not mess up my nails trying to set everything up. So it comes with the lamp, it comes with the cord, and it also comes with the little manual which I read so that I can learn how to use it properly. So the base coat and the top coat came as a set. So I went with the model loans because it had really good ratings and it was just so helpful getting both. So these are gel, by the way. When you're using gel polish, you want to make sure that your top and your base coat is also gel. So before you apply your base coat, make sure that you wash your hands to remove all oils, and you can even rub alcohol on your nails to make sure that your nail bed is completely oil free so that the nail polish can actually stick to the nails and it do not lift. So I just take the base coat right here And what I'm doing is applying really thin layers. So you want to wipe that brush as much as possible so that you barely have any polish on it. So that the layers are nice and thin. So to polish your nails neatly, what you do is start in the middle with slow and steady strokes in the middle right there. And then you do the sides, making sure that the brush do not touch your skin so that it come out nice and neat. And if you get any polish on your skin, make sure that you wipe it before you cure it under that lamp so that it do not harden. So if you are wondering and you've never heard of gel polish is much more durable and they last longer than regular nail polish. And gel polish also requires your nails to be dried under a UV or LED lamp. So that's the main difference. If you want longer lasting manicures and you don't want to wait so long to air dry your nails, and you also want to prevent like chipping, you know, regular nail polish chips very easily like the next day. You can be doing the simplest things. So yeah, I would definitely recommend gel. So the suggested curing time for this brand is 30 seconds under the LED light. So I just set the timer and then I put my hands under hair to make sure that I dry the gel polish. So now it's time for some color after curing that base coat, and I'm taking the Modelones set right here. So I got this set as well, and it comes with 7 different colors. So I went with the peachy color. I wasn't expecting it to be as nude. So this is like a pinky nude color that I chose. And to make sure that it is nice and mixed, I'm just rubbing it in between my hands to prevent air bubbles in the nail polish so that it do not come out lumpy on my nails. And just like the base coat, I'm taking really thin layers. So you want to make sure that you wipe that brush nice and clean, but make sure that you have a good amount so that you can cover the entire nail bed. And then I am starting with slow, steady strokes, first in the middle, and then I do the sides, avoiding the skin. And if you get any on your skin, like I said, make sure that you wipe it before you put it under the lamp, because once you put it under the lamp, then it's gonna harden on your skin and it won't be easy to remove. So I didn't really like this color that much. It's really sheer, so it did take about 4 coats to get it opaque, and it wasn't even completely opaque after 4 coats. And I did want to do a 5th coat because I just felt like it'll look too lumpy if I did a 5th coat. So this was so satisfying and relaxing to do. I never knew how satisfying painting my fingernails would be. It's much more relaxing than doing my toes because I'm not like bending over and hurting my back. I'm just sitting there and relaxing. Wow, I actually really love doing this. And this is how I clean up around the nail before I cure it. I just take the cuticle stick and I just wipe off that gel polish that got on the cuticle or my skin. You can actually use some acetone too on the cuticle stick to make this process a bit easier for you. And now after my fourth coat to both hands, I am taking the top coat right here, and I'm also doing a thin layer of top coat. So this is just going to finish off the gel nails, allow it to come out much more shinier, and this top coat actually allows the nails to last much more longer. And of course, after using this top coat, I cure it under the LED lamp. So I know I didn't show each process of me curing each step, but after each layer, I put my hands under the lamp for 30 seconds. So when I do the base coat, I did 30 seconds. Then I did my first color coat. I put it under the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I just repeat that. Okay, so this is actually 2 days later, and this is the end result of my gel nails. And this is how they came out, guys. I feel like they came out really pretty for a first timer. Of course, I see where I can improve and become better upon my second time doing this. But I am pleased with my first try. It came out really nice. I only had it on for about 5 days now, so I definitely will be doing a follow-up video to let you guys know how long it lasts and also how I remove them. But thank you all so much for watching.